Hello everyone, pretty much excited to show you one of the greatest products that I've ever came across. Makes my life so easy. Is this the most powerful GaN charger on the market right now? The TechBlaze 500W GaN Charger promises to fuel your entire desk setup, from your laptop to your cameras to your drones. It can power everything. So let's start with the unboxing. So in the box we have the dock holder itself. It's a nice, sleek, sturdy and a very hard dock holder. Then we have the cable itself over here, which has got a 2-pin plug and a 3-pin holder. And apart from that, we have the brick itself. It says 500W GaN charger. It has got 200W output ports, 565W USB-C ports, and 2 Type-A 20W ports. I connected my MacBook Pro, my drone batteries, and my drone goggles, my drone RCs all at once. Everything was charging simultaneously, and it was really great that these all devices just got charged up. So as you can see that we have got everything set up over here. We have kept everything for the charge. We have all the ports covered except 165 watts since I'm short on the cable right now. So we'll just check how fast does this thing charge. I'm going to eventually start up with the DJI Air 3 batteries itself, how fast it can charge this battery. Since it's completely down, then I'll go with the Avatar battery. I'll also check for the how fast does this thing charges the RC2 remote, the goggles too, the iPhone and the MacBook itself. So let's get started with it. We have turned on the button and everything, you can see everything just starts charging up straight out of the box. The RC2 has started charging. You can see on this the DJI Osmo Pocket Bank has also started to charge. Then we have the goggles which are charging continuously. It's a great sign. Then as you can see, the DJI batteries, the Avatar 2 batteries, they're also started to charge. Then you have the DJI Air 3 batteries charging up. This tech is so quite amazing. Like, it charges everything, the entire requirement, like daily. Much of I have other 2 LCs also which requires charging. It can handle those 2 at the same time, so there is no need to take breaks in between. So let's check how fast does this thing charges the Air 3 batteries, which requires like 100 watts of power per hour. So I'm going to put those to charge and see how fast does this thing works. It's like a multi-device workflow charging. Let's come to the main part, quick pros and cons. Insane power output. GaN is equal to much more cooling. This dock, it never gets hot within its time. And it's portable for a 500W beast if you're traveling somewhere or making some good content. It's really necessary to charge your devices quickly, so it avoids the hassle of you to carry multiple devices for charging, multiple docks for charging, and that's like a lot of cables and everything. So this helps you charge everything. If you're someone who juggles between power hungry devices, the TechBlaze 500W GaN charger is an absolute game changer. One charger, total control. Let me know in the comments, would you switch to a single 500W charger like this or stick with multiple chargers?